morning, everybody. So right now I am getting ready to head to the gym, but I just felt like picking up my camera today on this random Thursday and just vlogging. I haven't done like a day off in my life in a while, and that's what today is. I'm not flying today, but I do have a trip tomorrow, and it's a very exciting trip. We are going back to Europe, somewhere I've never been before, so I hope that you all are really excited for that. Of course, I will be filming that. Yeah, like I mentioned, right now I am just getting ready to go to the gym. I have a few errands to run. What else do we have going on? Oh, I want to give you guys a little bit of a tour of where we're living. I've been promising that for a while now. I'm eating this little orange before I go work out. Oh my gosh, I went to bed at 10:30 last night and I didn't wake up until 8 this morning. So I slept so much last night. I must have really needed it because I slept solid. But anyway, let's go to the gym and get in a really good workout. I am home from the gym now. My workout was really good, and now I am just checking my email, and then I also need to get a video uploaded today on YouTube. So I'm gonna do that. I need to make a protein shake. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my workouts. So this is not sponsored at all, but the app that I use for my workout is called Alive by Whitney Simmons. She is one of my favorite fitness influencers, content creators, whatever you want to call it. I have followed her since before I even had a YouTube channel. I love the app. It has different programs on it from beginner, intermediate to advanced. So no matter where you are at workout wise, like if you've never worked out before, all the way until if you are super advanced in the gym, you can definitely use her programs. There's in the gym programs and at home programs that you can do as well. Normally, if I go to the gym with Eric, I just kind of do whatever he does. But then like on my flight attendant trips or when I'm at the gym by myself, like today, I just do one of her programs and it is awesome. So could not recommend enough, because as a gymnast, I did not know how to work out in an actual gym. I only knew how to work out in a gymnastics gym. So for me, having that program and being able to follow the step-by-step instructions and know exactly what to do is really helpful for me. And even now, like if I go into a gym without a plan, I don't really know what to do. I very, very much prefer to have something written out for me. While my video is uploading to YouTube, I'm gonna make a protein shake. So I am really picky about my protein shakes. I don't like most protein. I actually think most protein shakes are really gross, but this one I actually do like. So what I do is 5 to 6 ounces of almond milk. And I like having these shaker cups from different brands, like Ghost has them, Alani New, Blender Bottle, because they have the ounces on the side of them, so you can actually see how much you're pouring into your cup. And then I personally, gosh, we have so many supplements and protein stuff. So, and then I do a scoop of this Vital Proteins collagen peptides, 1 scoop of that into the almond milk. And then personally, my favorite is the Ghost Whey Oreo protein. This is so good, but I love Oreo flavored anything. I'm almost out of this one. I need to buy a new one. A scoop of that protein into here, shake it all up, and that is my protein shake. I mean, it definitely doesn't taste as good as a milkshake, obviously, but for a protein shake, this is not bad. The real question is this our bed? Or is it Miss Luna's? Look at her taking up the entire bed. You're just the queen, huh? Queen Luna. Eric is working in there. Huh? I was just saying you're gonna work in there.
I need my water.
You need your water. Thank you for lunch. He made me a brat. Tastes a lot better than it looks, but Eric made me a brat for lunch. That is his office through that door. He's in the middle of work right now, so he can't really be in the vlog, but I do appreciate him taking the time to make lunch for me. So it is about noon. I'm going to eat. I want to get ready a little bit, and then I'm gonna run some errands. Before I leave the house, I'm running our robot vacuum called Shark. We call it Sharky. You guys, this thing is awesome. It's so good when you have a dog that sheds a lot. Definitely worth every penny, in my opinion. Saves us so much time from having to vacuum multiple times per week. Can I just say that it is a beautiful day outside today? I'm back in my car now. I thought I had more errands to do, but I really only have one thing that I have to do, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done because that one is chipped right there, my middle finger, and then my middle finger on this side is chipped as well, and they're just really grown out. I'm gonna go get the claws redone, but I do have to make a return. That was the errand that I have to do today, and it's these Warby Parker glasses. They actually sponsored my last video, not this video, my last video, and I really genuinely loved the glasses that I got. This was the at-home try-on kit where you just take that little quiz and then they tell you the glasses that they think will look good on you, and then they send it to you for free, and if you like them then you can order them. And there was a pair that I really liked, so I went online and I ordered them, but I have to return just the plain glasses, so I'm gonna go do that and then get my nails done. I just left the nail salon and came back into my car. I like how they came out. I did 2 different shades of brown. I think they look really cute for fall. And then the next time I go in, I'm gonna get them Halloween themed. Sweetheart, I missed you. As you can tell, I am back home now, and most of you know by now, but Eric and I used to live in Dallas, Texas, but we recently moved to Pennsylvania, and we currently live in basically the basement of a house, but I think we've done a really good job of making it almost like a little apartment and our own space. So I have been promising you guys a little bit of a tour, so let's go ahead and do that. I also added some fall decorations, so I'll show that to you guys. This is Miss Luna, obviously. Everybody knows that. Hi, cutie. Oh, so right on the door where we take her out, I put up this little ghost decoration. Also, ignore the floors. It has been raining here. I need to go through with the Swiffer soon, which I will. As you can tell, there's some dirt on the floor from Luna's paws. It's been raining. So over here, this is our living room area where we have our couch, which we brought from Texas. We were thinking of selling this, but I'm so glad that we didn't because we both love it and it actually fits in this space perfectly. So on the couch, I put my fall blanket and some decorative pillows. And then across from the couch, we have, well, right here, we have Luna's bed. This is a new toy that I got her for spooky season. And across from the couch, we have our TV. Normally, we obviously don't have Halloween decorations up, but because it's the season, I put those there. And oh my gosh, you guys, it was so funny. Luna the other day was not having it when I put up the pumpkins. I still don't know if this is where I want to keep this mirror forever, but Eric got me this mirror, I think for Christmas or my birthday a while ago, and I've just always loved it. So right now it's just between these 2 pillars, and I usually just sit down in front of it to get ready in the morning. His office is through that door right there. We still have a mirror and some art pieces that I want to get hung up. We just have not had a moment to do that yet, and I'm not sure where we would want to put that. And then through here, we actually have a washer dryer, our own laundry room, which is very convenient and nice. And then in the middle of everything, we brought our table from Texas too. I love this table. We got it from IKEA, and I don't know, I just think it's so pretty. I also put up some of my fall decorations. And then going into here, we have our bathroom. This bathroom is honestly pretty small, so it was definitely an adjustment having to get used to a smaller bathroom in comparison comparison to what we had in Dallas. We had tons of counter space in Dallas, and now Eric and I share this little counter space, but you know what? It's fine. We have made it work. We still have a beautiful place to live, and that's all that matters. And so yeah, through here, it's pretty much just a basic bathroom. And we also have this storage right here, which helps with all of my stuff, because yes, Luna, I have way more stuff than Dad does. Oh my goodness, look at you just stretching and jumping. Luna jumped on me twice within the past 5 minutes, so that usually means that she has to go out. So quick frisbee break for her. Sometimes when Luna is tired, though she doesn't want to play frisbee anymore, but she's not ready to go inside, she just lays down in the grass with her frisbee. And then here she comes. Perfect segue into Luna's little section over here. So this is where we keep her food and water bowl. And then up here is where we just keep all of her stuff, all of her treats, all of her medicine, just all of her random stuff. So like we have these multivitamins for her, her dental chews. These are all of the different bandanas that I have for Luna that I like to put on her. We also have this salmon oil for her that we have been putting on her food. She absolutely loves this stuff. She's obsessed with it. And then Luna's food is the farmer's dog, which we absolutely love, but it has to stay frozen. So we keep it in the freezer right here. And then while it defrosts, we keep it in this fridge. And this fridge was actually Eric's in college. He just had this in his bedroom. So I think it's awesome that now it has a different use, and now it's for Luna. Also, if you are interested in trying Luna's food, the farmer's dog, I will put a link to it in the video description box below, because I do have 50% off your first box with that link. Moving right along into the kitchen. We actually don't cook a lot down here. We mostly just cook upstairs using Eric's parents' kitchen. I have some Halloween dish towels with our oven. We have the air fryer right there, a dishwasher, our sink, storage up there for, you know, all of our plates and stuff like that. And then we have our fridge right here, which of course I have all of my magnets from the different places that I have traveled to. And then this whole area right here actually was a bar when we moved in, but that has changed. We use this for storage now, whatnot. And then, oh my gosh, over here, this is our fitness section. This is all of our protein and pre-workout and protein bars and stuff like that. This is really random, but these caramel apple cupcake things from Costco, oh my gosh, these are amazing. So good. And then over on this side, I have my Keurig, some coffee, and some of my cups. And then the last section that we have is our bedroom and my office space. So over here, I have my bookshelf. This is like my most prized possession. I think I've shown all of it to you guys before, but I love my bookshelf. And then I just have my desk right here. It's a little bit messy, but you know what? It is what it is. And the only other thing that I would like to do with my office space is set up some of these LED lights. I think that would look really cool. There's Luna's bed, and then there's our bed, although Luna sleeps on our bed pretty much every night. She starts on our bed, and then she goes to her bed, and then she jumps back up on our bed in the morning. It's really cute. And then across from our bed, we have our closet in there, and then we have this dresser with our TV. All right, you guys, so that is the grand tour of where we are currently living.